Mr. Mixer, I fixed it.
Here at Mr. Mixer, we are constantly working on ways to improve the function, the quality, and the aesthetics of your KitchenAid mixer. And we brought out some amazing products like the quick install spring and washer, the Everdyne, and our newest product, the Love Handle. And since releasing the Love Handle last September, we've sold almost 20,000 units. Come in here, let's take a look. So the Love Handle is designed to affix to the front of your KitchenAid mixer. Let's take a look at how that works. So we can go ahead and we can remove this thumb screw right here on the side, and then this front badge as well. Now once that is removed, we can go ahead and just take the Love Handle. It's so easy to install. We just slide it right over the hub of the mixer. And once we get that slid into place, the goal is to line up this hole with the threads on your machine, just like so. Now the Love Handle here, it's gonna come with this tiny little shim, and what we're gonna do with that, we're going to slide it over the threads on this thumb screw, just like that. Now once that is done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna reinstall our hub here by sliding it into place, and then we're just gonna screw in our thumb screw. Take a look at how beautiful that is. Now once you get that Love Handle screwed into place, you'll tell it has a pretty nice firm fit. Now this Love Handle here, it was designed so that when you unlock the machine, it assists in raising and lowering the head of the mixer. So not only is it absolutely beautiful, but it just improves the function, because typically you would just have to grab the hub right here and try and lift like this. It's really uncomfortable. This handle, it just gives you a little bit more to grab onto so you can raise and lower that head. Now the Love Handle here, it does come in a beautiful chrome color, but if you're not a chrome person, it also comes in black. But the fun doesn't stop there. Take a look at what's going on behind me back here. So we have designed the Love Handle to be fully functional. So even if you have attachments, you do not have to remove the Love Handle to place those attachments in place. Take a look, it's got a nice firm seat. And one of the best parts about it is that it also works with the K5SS style of bowl raise mixer. It doesn't fit the professionals, unfortunately, but hey, we're working on that. Take a look at those beauties. So the K5SS model is any model that has these 4 large bolts that mount the head to the neck portion. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, these babies are made out of metal, so they're very sturdy. And we've made them out of metal because, well, we wanted them to also serve as a carry assist handle. And that will make moving your machine from under the countertop or around the kitchen an absolute breeze. If you've already purchased a Love Handle, we hope that you installed this installation tutorial. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Regardless, we appreciate you all, and we hope you enjoy your new Love Handle. And remember, if you need anything, and I mean anything for your KitchenAid mixer, then make sure to check out our website, mrmixer.store. We have literally every single part that you may need to service your machine. We have gears, we have paddles, hooks, and whisks. We have attachments. Take a look over here. We have meat grinders, pasta presses, slicer shredders. We have pour chutes, and we even have beater blades? Oh, we have beater blades. They are way back there. We have been flying through these things. These things are absolutely amazing. Now, on top of all that, we literally have bowls for every single model as well. And to top it all off, if you're looking for a mixer for yourself or someone you know, we have those available as well. Oh, and remember, if you're not the DIY type, we also have a mail-in service where we have a group of techs working around the clock from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. anyways to fix these machines. And now that we got all of that out of the way, we got to get this video card up here to the computer so we can edit this into the video that you're watching right now. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.